welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tasha. Today is going to be a start of a new vlog. As you can tell from the title, I am doing something exciting today. That is not for a few hours, and I will get more into that later on. But for now, I just got an Amazon fresh order in, I was gonna say in the mail. I guess it's kind of in the mail. I got it delivered and I'm going to make a nice soup with that. Contrary to my outfit, it is pretty gloomy and it feels a little bit chillier in my apartment today, so I'm very down to make a soup, even though I eat soup in literally every temperature. I'm a big soup fan, okay? And this is my favorite soup. It's a copycat of one that Olive Garden makes, but it has spicy Italian sausage and kale and potatoes, and it's just so good and creamy and filling. So I'm going to make that soup, and then after that I will get more into what I'm doing later today. The soup is pretty much done now. I didn't show the whole process because I have showed it in a vlog before, but I will link the recipe that I used down below. I just added some Parmesan cheese on top, and I'm going to dig in. Okay, hello. It is a bit later. I have finished with my soup, and I'm going to talk about what the title of this video is, and I'm sure why a lot of you guys clicked. So I am getting lip fillers for the first time today. I already know there's going to be a ton of people like, oh my gosh, Tasha, you let LA get to your head, you don't need them, I like your smaller lips. Basically, a lot of my friends get lip fillers and they all look super natural and great. And as you guys can tell, and I've probably noticed for a long time, I do have smaller lips, which I think is fine. But I've always been interested in trying out lip fillers and just seeing what they would look like on me, especially because they aren't permanent. In case you guys don't know, lip fillers last like a max of a year, if even that. And if you don't like them, you can also get them dissolved literally like right after you get them. So Laser Away reached out to me and wanted to collaborate on a video in exchange for one of their services, and they offer lip fillers, so I figured now would be the perfect time to try it, especially because we are kind of in quarantine. So if I'm swollen or bruised, I can hide away in my apartment, and I can also cover my face with a face mask. At the end of the day, I know some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, I wish you didn't do that, but it is my face. I'm not too nervous about the pain. I have a pretty high pain tolerance. I guess I'm more nervous about how it will look because I've had really small lips my whole life. I want to be clear, I do not want big lips. Being in LA, I have seen so many people that go overboard and it just looks insane, and I by no means want Kylie Jenner lips. I think my biggest thing is that when I smile, my upper lip kind of disappears, as you can see, and that's why in a lot of my photos I don't smile with my teeth, because I don't like when my upper lip disappears. Here are my lips. I know you guys have probably seen them for years in my videos, but I'm just going to be getting one syringe. I also don't think I'm gonna film the actual injection process because I know a lot of people don't like needles and don't want to see that, but if you guys do want to see that, there are plenty of other videos on YouTube showing how lip injections are done. But I will definitely show you guys the Laser Away office. I'm going to the Santa Monica location, and of course I will show you guys the after. I'm about to leave for my appointment. I have gum in my mouth, so I apologize if you can see that, but here is one last reminder of my lips. So wish me luck. I am back and I'm hiding them for the moment. So the lady who did them recommended that I just get half right now, and then I can come back in 2 weeks once the bruising and swelling is completely gone and use the rest how I want to, which I like because then I'll see if there's any places where I want to add more. There's someone leaf blowing, so hopefully you can't hear that. I have just had the worst background noise lately. Maybe if I go in my room it won't be as bad. Moment of truth, this is half, and I went to TJ Maxx after, so they've had some time to swell up and bruise, I'm sure. And she also put Vaseline all over right after, so if my face looks slimy, that is also why. Okay, so this is them. As you can see, this side is already bruising up, but I think the shape looks really nice. I do like the shape of my natural lips, so we kind of just stuck with that. And yeah, once again, this is only half of the syringe and the swelling will go down. So I'm excited to see how they look once it does. And then when I go back the second time and have the full result. But yeah, I'm just going to ice these now and probably eat some more soup. And I will of course update you guys and show you if anything crazy happens with them. The pain wasn't that bad. They didn't use numbing cream, but she did tell me that the needle has something in it that numbs. And I definitely felt it. It stung as the needle went in, but then after that it was fine, and she let me ice it and stuff. So overall it was a really good experience. It was super quick, so definitely recommend. And once again, I went to the Laser Away in Santa Monica. I will put a link in the description with more info, and I'll also put the location of the Laser Away that I went to. This is the worst angle of me ever, but they look good. In case anyone is wondering, this is what I got from TJ Maxx. It's just a plant pot, but whenever I see cute ones that are affordable, I grab them because you guys know I love plants. This one was only $8, and I normally can never find planters at TJ Maxx. I feel like they get bought up pretty quickly. This was the only one left, and I thought it was cute, so I grabbed this. Hi guys, so it is the next day, but at night now, and I wanted to show you guys the update on my lips because some bruises have come through, but that was expected. And other than that, I think they look really good. Also, I have this weird dry skin under my eye that just super dry and raw. I don't know what it is. Some people said it might be eczema, and I actually have ointment for eczema, so I put some of that on and I'll see if it gets better. But if you guys know like what this is, definitely let me know. But here are the lips. As you can see, there's a nice bruise right there, and there's some bruises down there, but honestly not that bad. I feel like I bruise pretty badly in general anyways, so if this is all it is, then I feel like it's not that bad. Unfortunately, I don't really wear lip products, or if I do, I normally wear sheer ones, so it's a little bit harder to cover. But if I wanted to cover it, I'm sure I could find like an opaque lip product. But yeah, I'll try to update you guys a little bit more throughout the days. It is day 3, and here's a look at the current bruise situation. As you can see, they've like darkened up today and kind of gone down there. But honestly, if you're from a distance, I feel like you can't really tell. I don't have any like uneven swelling or anything like that, so just the bruises are honestly fine. I feel like these will fade pretty quickly. So yeah, day 3. Okay guys, hello. So I think this is going to be my last lip update for this video. I will be getting the rest of the syringe on November 7th. It's currently November 2nd, but I just wanted to get this video up, and I'm sure if you guys follow me on Instagram or if you continue to watch my videos on here, you will see the results from the next appointment. I'm going to overlay a clip of me not talking so you can kind of see my lips better. This is how they look. Once again, it is November 2nd. I got these done October 23rd. The bruising is almost gone. There's like a tiny bit, but you can barely notice it. The swelling has gone down a lot, so the size has gone down as well. I'm definitely looking forward to getting the second half just because I liked the swelling when I first got them, and I kind of want it to get back to that size. But yeah, that's kind of where I wanted to end off this video. Overall, I had a really good experience. I'm excited to go back again. If you guys have any specific questions for me about getting my lips done, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!